Well, we're following the story of one wild Waymo problem, turning the cars into very noisy neighbors. Tonight we have an answer now about why the robotaxis are gathering in one San Francisco parking lot and doing this. That racket is what neighbors in Soma tell us they've been hearing for weeks. After we brought you this story last night on ABC7 News here at 11, Waymo got back to us with new information. The company says the honking is happening because of software meant to prevent slow-moving crashes. For example, if someone is slowly backing out of a parking spot and doesn't see you, you'd likely honk if they got too close. Put a handful of Waymos in a parking lot, and this apparently is what you get. The company says it is adjusting the software.